Today we are continuing the remaining exercise problems. What guys, are you completed yesterday homework? I given actually 3 problems for you homework. I hope you completed those 3 problems and you understand the yesterday's problems also. We are continuing the remaining problems. Then in that first 11th one, find the equation of all lines having slope 2 which are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 3, x is not equal to 3. Just like 10th problem. This is just like a 10th problem. What we are doing, given curve is y is equal to 1 by x minus 3, x is not equal to 3. We are differentiating the function dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square, and given slope of all lines, any line, that means you can take any tangent that the slope is 2, already given that 2. According to the slope of tangent which is equal to slope of lines. So I equated that. What I take the cross multiplication means x minus 3 whole square equal to minus 1 by 2 will exist. X minus 3 whole square is a perfect square. A perfect square should not equal to negative number. A perfect square should not equal to negative number. So which is impossible. Which is impossible. It will not happen. So that's why what I am saying. So tangents will not exist with the slope 2. Tangents will not exist with the slope 2. This is the solution of this problem, because if slope is 2 means for all lines slope is 2 means definitely it is not will not exist any tangent to this curve. This is the meaning of this problem. Find the equation of all lines having slope 0 which are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. So students, before model only, but it is different actually. Up to now 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 3, like the questions we completed. Now, given curve is y is equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 means, again I feel like a 1 by x. I feel like a 1 by x. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. But it is not x. That's why I am continuing the differentiation. dy dx of x square minus 2x plus 3. What is the derivative of x square minus 2x plus 3? X square derivative is 2x. Minus 2x derivative minus 2. Constant derivative is 0. Finally, minus of 2x minus 2 by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. This is slope of tangent. Given slope of all lines, he given all that. All lines having slope 0. So all lines having slope 0 means, accordingly data, what is that? Slope of a tangent is equal to slope of a line. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of a line. By using the sorry, minus of 2x minus 2 by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square is equal to 0. By value transpose to that side, you will get 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x equal to 2. X is equal to 1. When x equal to 1, y value means substitute in the place. 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 3. 1 minus 2 plus 3. 4 minus 2, 2, 1 by 2. The value is 1 by 2. Now finally we have to find the equation of a tangent. So the equation of a tangent passing through 1 comma 1 by 2 having slope 0, and then we are using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So I substituted 0 into 0 and finally we got the answer. Y is equal to 1 by 2 means y is equal to some constant. In straight line chapter, y is equal to some constant. Where do you get this equation? If any line which is parallel to x-axis, any line parallel to x-axis means y equal to constant. And already slope of x-axis is 0. That means he mentioned 0 means, what do you feel means? It is x-axis. X-axis parallel lines are y equal to constant. Finally we show y is equal to constant. That means, so it is the answer for this tangent. This is a solution for this problem. Find points on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1 at which the tangent are parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. This model also we completed in an exam. This model also we completed in an exam. So students, given curve is x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Differentiated this one, that is 2x by 9 plus 2y by 16 into dy by dx is equal to 0. And by take common transpose to that side, you will get the x by 9 plus y by 16 into dy by dx. Plus value transpose to that side, that is minus x by 9. This is also transpose to that side, totally minus 16x by 9y. Minus 16x by 9y. This is the slope of tangent. First condition, parallel to x-axis. First, parallel to x-axis means parallel line means their slopes are equal. That we know that. And x-axis slope is 0. X-axis slope is 0. Automatically, any slope of tangent definitely which is equal to 0 only. That's why minus 16x by 9y is equal to 0. That means finally x is equal to 0. X equal to 0 means when x equal to 0, equation 1 becomes this part. Keep x 0. Put x equal to 0 here. It becomes 0. What do you get? Y square by 16 is equal to 1. Y square by 16 equal to 1. What do you get, guys? Y square equal to 16. Y is equal to plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 4. Then points are x value 0, y value 4 are x value 0 and y value minus 4. Like that we calculate. Next, second one, parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means y-axis is perpendicular to x-axis. So we are taking the parallel to y-axis means take the slope of normal. That means equation of tangent already which is parallel to x-axis means then we are asking parallel to y-axis take the slope of normal. Slope of normal is equal to 0 means minus 1 by slope of tangent is equal to 0. That means take the reciprocal for this slope of tangent. Minus cancel, 9y by 16x will come. And 9y is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, equation 1 becomes, that means this part is 0. X square by 9 is equal to 1. X square equal to 9. X is equal to plus or minus 3. Then points are 3, 0, minus 3, 0. What we completed, find the points on the curve in which the tangent is parallel to y-axis and same tangent parallel to y-axis. How it behaves means parallel to x-axis means we are getting these points. Parallel to y-axis means we are getting these points. Student, this question it has 5 problems, guys. So in this problem what we have to do means differentiate the function, find the slope of tangent at 0, 5 and immediately we have to calculate equation of tangent also. Then find the slope of normal, then find the equation of a normal. This is the procedure for all 5 problems. In these problems I will explain one question. Then you can solve the remaining 4 problems. Students, it is simple thing. Already you completed all models. How we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. And in this problem, what we are doing means at a time we are calculating equation of tangent and equation of normal also. If we want to find out equation of tangent and equation of normal, first we need slope of tangent. After knowing the slope of tangent, easily we can calculate slope of normal. After getting slope of tangent and slope of normal, by using the point, easily you can calculate equation of tangent and equation of normal. So, who are not having textbook, first note down these 5 questions, and out of these I will explain first question. And 5th question also. First question and 5th question I will explain. Remaining 3 questions you have to take homework. You should take as a homework. Okay guys, first note down these problems. Student, in the first problem, how I solved, observe it. He given curve on a point 0, 5. What I did here, given y is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 is the given curve. I differentiated the function. I got this answer 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. And immediately what I did here, I calculated slope of tangent at 0, 5. Divided by x 0, 5 means in the place of x put 0. You will get the minus 10. This is called the slope of tangent. Now what do you do immediately? You just calculate equation of a tangent. So the equation of a tangent passing through 0, 5 having slope minus 10, having slope minus 10. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 5 is equal to minus 10 into x minus 10 means minus 10x transpose to 10x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. I calculate. And what I said, in the same problem only we have to calculate the slope of normal and slope of equation of normal also. So I calculate slope of normal. Slope of normal is how you calculate it. How do you calculate like this? How do you means minus 1 by slope of tangent at 0, 5. That is minus 1 by minus 10 which is equal to 1 by 10 which is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, fine. I got the slope of normal. Immediately we just calculate equation of normal. The equation of a normal passing through 0, 5 having slope 1 by 10. And again y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. 10y minus 50 equal to x. X minus 10y plus 50 is equal to 0. Clear guys? So finally for the same curve we calculated two things. What is that? One is the equation of tangent and second one is the equation of normal. How we calculated? First we differentiated the curve, and that differentiate the curve means a dy by dx will get. We calculate slope of tangent at given point. Already he mentioned indicated points he is asking. So that indicated point we calculate slope of tangent. Immediately calculate the equation of tangent. Same thing, slope of normal, equation. In the same manner you have to calculate the remaining three problems. I will give fifth one solution. Students, fifth one means it is in parametric form. Given curve, given x equal to cos t, dx by dt is equal to minus sin t, y is equal to sin t. You just calculate dy by dt, that is cos t, and finally you just calculate dy by dx. Dy by dt by dx by dt is equal to cos t by minus m is minus tan t. This is the slope of tangent at x, y. What he said, the slope of tangent at t is equal to pi by 4. T is equal to pi by 4. T equal to pi by 4 means dy by dx. T is equal to pi by 4 means minus tan pi by 4 minus 1. Tan pi by 4 value 1 minus 1. Immediately calculate slope of normal. Slope of normal means minus 1 by slope of tangent. Minus 1 by minus 1 means plus 1. So the equation of tangent is a passing through. Passing through means here x comma y. X comma y means actually cos t sin t. In the place of t, just substitute pi by 4, sin pi by 4. What is the value of cos pi by 4? 1 by root 2. What is the value of cos pi by 4? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. That we have to calculate. And now our point is 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root having slope minus 1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Take the LCM. Root y minus 1 by root 2 and root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Root 2 to cancel. Then you will get this expression root 2 x plus root 2 y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. And what about the equation of normal? The equation of normal is passing through 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2 having slope 1. Already we calculate the slope of normal. And y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 means minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 will cancel. We will get the y is equal to x and y minus x is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent and equation of a normal. Sometimes you will give for 5 marks question. Sometimes this type of questions you will get the 5 marks question. Otherwise 1 mark or 3 marks questions only these are. Okay guys, like that you have to calculate, and remaining 3 problems are there, second one, third one, fourth one. You have to consider as a homework and complete it. Okay, don't skip that one. Okay. Find the equation of a tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line, perpendicular to the line. Two different lines, guys. First, take this part. Calculate the slope of tangent to the curve. That is, calculated slope of tangent to the curve. And this is the slope of tangent. What is that? 2x minus 2. And come to the first bit. Parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 7 means your slope of tangent of the curve, slope of the line, both are equal. He is telling that one. What is he saying? Slope of the tangent of the curve at x comma y and slope of line this one. both the slopes are equal, because parallel means slopes are equal. By that, calculate slope of line minus x coefficient by y coefficient, minus 2 by minus 1. It is plus 2. And accordingly means, what is the meaning? Inner meaning, what is that? Slope of a tangent is equal to slope of a line. By that, 2x is equal to 4, x equal to 2. When x equal to means y value, you will get the 7. Y value you will get the 7. And because the point is there and the slope is there, by using that, we have to find equation of a tangent. The equation of a tangent passing through 2, 7 and having slope 2 means y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So students, take the slope of tangent to this curve, slope of line, this slope of this line. Now with you, two slopes are there. He used the word parallel. Parallel means two slopes are equal. By using the condition, calculate x value, and after getting x value, immediately find the y value. So take the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate, find the equation of a tangent. And BBT is there, guys. First note down this one. Later I will explain the BBT. Student, BBT perpendicular to the line 15x minus 5y plus 13 equal to 0 means one line is perpendicular to another line means product of their slopes equal to minus 1. Product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. So what I done? Slope of a line is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Here just I am calculating slope of this line. But this slope is perpendicular to that tangent, slope of tangent. So perpendicular means I written slope of a tangent is equal to perpendicular slope of line, that means minus 1 by 3. Perpendicular slope is universal. m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 by 3. Slope of tangent 2x minus. By using I calculate x value, that is x is equal to 5 by 6. So when x equal to 5 by 6 means I calculate y is equal to 217 by 36. We got the point 5 by 6 and 216 by 36 and having slope minus 1 by 3. Then calculate it. Y minus 2 1 by 8. Then simplify it, guys. Simplify, you can get the answer. So these are the problems for today work, and practice well. Practice well. Don't waste your time. Every day you have to practice it, manner. So at least before going to open the college, we want to complete the application of derivatives topic. So if you complete a tangent normal means the main topic, rate measure and tangent normal, both are very important in objective side also. Next I will give the errors and approximation, just understanding purpose only. And the main important topic is maxima minima, especially in the application maxima minima. This is somewhat lengthy simplification. If it is possible means I will explain on the board, otherwise if it is not possible only for maxima minima, again I want to explain on the paper. That means concept I will explain the board, guys, but solution it will take large, board is not sufficient to that every time. So I am ready to explain the solution, otherwise I can explain this one and I will send the solution as a papers. On papers I will take the photos, I will send to you guys. So don't be feel that. First try to solve this complete. Clear? If you have any doubt and if any wrong happen, just make a call to me. Okay, clear? Thank you.